Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always worked.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. Let's get it, baby. Nicole FX 420. Hello, hello. Antonio, what's good? What's good? Cartoons area, what's going on? Ruth, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Right. All right. Let's get started, baby. So here was yesterday's setup where we took our L. Ended up coming down, teasing our breakout to the downside, came back up. I didn't really like this range, so I didn't trade it. This was New York session. Ended up just staying within that range. It ended up breaking out to the downside finally in the afternoon, and then kind of consolidated here through Asian session, pushed back up, retesting this area. So that's kind of what happened here. What's going on, Mark? Hello, everyone. What's good? Welcome. All right, so you know how we do top-down analysis. We are gonna go ahead and clean up the charts, delete everything. Daily, let's get it. What do we see? Well, we see this thing just melting down. I'll tell you that right now. You know, we do have this overall trend to the upside, but I think that this could very well come down to retest this, and if it does so, we have talking about a range of 180, 175 pips. So looks like it's a nice opportunity to the downside. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's establish tops and bottoms here. Find it on the 1 hour. I mean, if you look at this earlier, this was basically a break and retest to the downside. I think it's going to continue lower for sure. And let me look at the 30-minute. So I would say, let's see here. Man, it's because I don't like this right here. What is this range to the downside? About 20 pips. Not bad. Could probably take something like that. What color do you guys like? Red? Blue? Gold? Purple? does C to the left. Yeah. Why does this thing get so dark? Oh, there we go. Yeah, you see. I knew there was a level there. Just marking up my range right now in GJ, guys. You know how we do. Top-down analysis. And I'm done trying to... I ain't gonna try to get faked out. I'm gonna put this above the wicks up here. Yeah, that looks reasonable. What's this range to the top? 15 pips, 44, 58, 15, 43, 45, 75, about 100 pips. Yeah, so here's the setup for GJ, guys. GBP JPY, GBP GPY, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link, sending it out in the chat. All right. And sending it out in, let me turn on this light. Maybe a little better right there, so you guys can see me. A little dark. GBP JPY setup. I am in a swing trade. I called out earlier for Euro GBP. Euro GBP. I called out a swing earlier. It's still valid to enter if you guys want to enter that. It is a swing trade, so I expect to probably hold that overnight, probably till tomorrow. There was something. Somebody asked me for a pair. You guys said the purple looks good. Purple's popping. What's good, everybody? What up, TikTok? Welcome to the show. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. A swing trade is basically a trade that you hold for more than a session. Usually, it's a trade that I'm probably going to hold more than 8 hours. A scalp is something that's quick. Then there's intraday trading, where within the day you're taking your profits. But a swing trade, it could be anywhere from holding it, you know, for 12 hours, for 24 hours, a week, a month. Swing trade just means you are holding it for a longer period of time and swinging it from a low to a high or a high to a low. This is on the 30-minute time frame. I should probably put that here, right? 30-minute chart. Yes, sir. Welcome, welcome, guys. Hey, thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for sharing the stream. Thanks for the love. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. TikTok was quiet yesterday. They showing up today. What's good, everybody? What's good? Like I said, I am in a swing trade for Euro GBP. I sent that out in my Telegram. You guys can take that if you guys want. It is valid. Gold price struggles near 2,000 as yield rebound. Uh-oh. Gold is falling apparently. So I am in that. This is what I wanted to see is... Oh, where's it at? Okay. Hang on one second, guys. There's a couple of things I wanted to see. Okay. Oh, I see. There's another setup here it's pretty nice right now. It's also a swing though. Let's get it. Can we go over gold? Yeah, for sure. Give me 1 second. I just there's a nice setup on. There's a nice setup on CJ CAD JPY. Somebody had me look at it yesterday, and I had left a setup on it, and then I looked at it today, and it looks like it is finally playing out. So what I would do, yeah, this is good setup. And AU, hold on a second. Let me send these out. No, let me go ahead and do it here. We are in Euro GBP. I don't think I have it on this one. Whoops. It's on the 4 hour. Sorry, I have it on a different chart. So essentially what we're looking at here is a break and retest. This area we got in here at what's the price? 82.80. And our take profit, final take profit, 79.65. Oh, sorry. No, we're trading London. We're just waiting right now. It's pre-London. So stop levels are at 83.15. 15. About 35 pip risk, yeah. So it's in like 4 pip drawdown right now. but this is essentially Euro GBP, and I wanted to go over CAD because I'm going to send that out. This is also a nice swing setup for a break and retest. Yeah, because we're moving down here, and here's the break, here's the retest. So do 35 pip risk on that as well. Ooh. And really, if we come all the way down, now we got this area down here. Then we could potentially move to, but obviously we'll read price action on the way down. So here's the setup right here for CAD JPY. This is a swing, guys. You guys want me to send this out? What's good, demigod? It's bearish, bro. It's coming down. CAD JPY setup. Sent. Sending it out in Telegram. In my learn and earn, guys, you know, I break down the entry price, stop loss, take profit levels, and the risk. But that's because it's a paid group, right? So if you can't get it from the breakdown chart, maybe you shouldn't take it. Okay. 90. 90.46. Sorry guys, I know I see all the comments, but I'm not I'm trying to get this set up out. It's already going into profit, so give me a second. 87, I'll put 85. Yeah. So that'll be second trade that's out. Yeah. Right now there's 2 trades out, my learn and earn. And where are we here? Alright, so I sent that out, right? Did I send the catch up? Yeah. The Euro GBP, I sent out the details on that as well because it's a I sent that out as the freebie. Come on now. Okay, I'm in on that. Nice. Okay. Yeah, CAD JPY is already going into profit. 89.75 is the first take profit. I'm just setting alerts for the TP levels. I sent this out already for you guys to take as well. That's in profit. In profits, baby. We're in profits about 14 pips on CAD JPY. If you guys jumped in that, congratulations. Volume's down. My volume's low a little bit. Let me turn it up for you, bro. Got you on that. Oh, what is it at? Man, I can't see. Okay. Shit. Almost fell. Okay. Alright, sorry, it's because my camera's like right in the way. But anyways, hopefully that helps. Maybe turn down the background music a bit. Cool. Sound better? Sound better? Alright. Yeah, they were talking about the volume on my YouTube, bro. I'm streaming on YouTube and TikTok. Sorry. I hope it's a low lot position. What's a low lot position? Why would I get into a short here? Because it broke and retested and now it's breaking lows. GJ, I'm watching it on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's about to break down to the downside, and I'm about to rate that one too. Make back everything I lost yesterday. Yeah, GJ does look like a sell. I agree. But let's wait for confirmation, wait for that breakout here. The Euro GBP, I was already in. I just drew up the setup for you guys, shared that with you guys. The CAD JPY I just jumped into, and it went into profits. Oh, there's a lot of... Yes, I'm a Forex trader. Bro, thank you. You're most welcome, brother. Gotcha. What's the volume on that? I don't know what you're talking about. On what? GJ's coming down. GJ's coming down. You know what? I'm gonna put an alert here just in case. Crossing down. And tell me to sell. Okay. Euro GBP is like just literally floating around our entry. I mean, we're down, I think, I don't know, 3 pips, 4 pips, 4 pips, but I'm pretty confident in that. Remember, it's a swing trade, guys. It's a swing trade. Now, CAD JPY is in profits, about 12 pips, so that's nice. We are about, let's see, about 23 pips away from our TP1. And that's all I'm in right now at the moment. I did want to also look at AUD USD because of this right here. So as soon as I see some, I'm gonna turn this blue because when I see some confirmation to the upside, I'm gonna take a buy in this thing. Because look at this. I mean, this literally just came and it's just a huge break and retest right here. See that? So just be patient. Wait for some kind of confirmation to the upside. You know, this could wick down to the bottom a bit, show a bullish candle, and then a bullish engulfing, and that would be perfect. New level of support established. Boom. Sup, Banks? What's good? What's going on? Blue Black 96. Rick, gold. Yes, I'll look at gold. I'll look at gold. Let me look at gold real quick. Let me just double check GJ on the 30-minute. And it's right there at the bottom. So we're waiting for that. Let me just... We got a whole new candle coming up here in 10 seconds. Let's wait for that real quick. It's 12:30. Coming back with a vengeance today, baby. Took 2 L's yesterday. Yeah. So let's just continue to wait here. Hope maybe this candle is the one that breaks out to the downside. We have an alarm set up anyways. Let's look at gold. Somebody asked for gold, right? All right. So look, now gold has established some kind of market structure. Remember yesterday we were looking at it and I was like, look, this thing is like hella bullish and it's like pulling back now, but we needed to establish some market structure. But really the market structure it's established is consolidation, a huge zone. But the beautiful thing about gold is that it has so much volume that this right here is 200 pip range, so we could probably easily pull out a trade here. Man, I would say that there's going to be a pullback before a continuation. I do think it's going to break out, but I don't think there's enough volume right now. Maybe during the London session, to be honest. You see we got a nice little level of support here. Honestly, this can move up a bit. Get the tops up there. see our trend right here to the upside. It'll be interesting to see, you know, if we're willing to break above here. Then I would be looking for buys, but to be honest, what I think we're gonna see is a pullback here before continuation up. So that's what I would be looking for. No, I wouldn't buy just yet because it's, I mean, it's at its tops here. So we're probably gonna see it pull back a bit. And here's a nice little level of support. You see this little level here? So probably come back down to retest this, which would establish the higher low. Because if you see this, you got a low here, you got a low here. This would be your next higher low. So wait for that higher low, then we could enter a trade to the upside once we see a bullish confirmation. Does that make sense? Two yellow lines are key levels, like support and resistance. Does that make sense, guys? Hey, thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Y'all want me to send this chart out? I'll send this chart to you guys too. Going out in the YouTube chat. Going out in the Telegram. Damn, look at that. It just blew past this. Wow. So then that means this should be pulling up, yeah. Let's get some bullish confirmation here and we'll enter into a buy swing on that. I'll take it. Sorry. GJ messing around. It's not good. Yeah, we're in profits right now for CAD JPY. That's funny. Let's answer some questions here. No, it's buying and selling currency structures when they change value. I don't know what you're talking about. Can ride that bull up. What pair is this? We went over EG, CAD JPY, GBP JPY, AUD USD, and gold. How long have you been trading? For about 8 years. How do you know when to add the yellow lines? You do it when you do your analysis. Top-down analysis. Yeah, I'm in an active trade on CAD JPY and Euro GBP because I sent those out in my Learn and Earn. So just so you know, I sent out setups for AUD US or gold, and I sent out CAD JPY, and I sent out the setup we're waiting for on GBP JPY. Right. So you guys can check that out. Check it out. Check it out. All right. Let's see. Can you put the thingy on the charts to tell which one you're on? Sometimes my headphones die and shit when you switch, I get lost. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so this is GBP JPY. This right here is Euro GBP. And we're in an active trade on that swing trade. And this is CAD JPY. This is, oh, look at that. That looks nice. This is AUD USD. And this is gold. Gold just completely disrespected. Look at that, just pushed up. Wow. Wow, gold. Wow. Wow. All right. So there's the labels for you. Got it. Ben says, hey, Banks, great concept. Do you prefer the 30-minute chart for entry exit rather than 15 and why? 30-minute gives me more solid confirmation. But if it's a little choppy and, you know, there's a lot of like indecision, I can move down to the 15 or even 5, right? But, you know, I stop at the 30 to see what I see. If I can't tell what I'm seeing or I'm still iffy, I can move down to the 15 and it may be a little bit clearer. But you understand, the higher the time frame, the stronger the actual like price action it is, right? So if let's say on the 30-minute the trend is bullish, that is stronger than, let's say, the bearish trend on the 5-minute, right? So it's just a way of understanding, like, higher time frames, stronger confirmations, right? Matthew said gold breaking. Yeah, I see it, bro. Nicole says thanks. You're welcome. I got you. Yeah, I do have a signal group, guys. It's in the links in the bios. If you just check the description or check the bio, there's a Learn and Earn, and that's my private signal group. You guys can join that. I do send out breakdowns, analysis, and freebies on my free Telegram. I also have Discord, which is also free. And I send out information, answer questions, and interact with you guys on there as well. Hey, GJ, come on, let's go. Move to the downside, baby. CAD JPY and profits. Euro GBP coming into profits. Lovely. King Lion goated. What's good, brother? Do you trade NASDAQ? NAS 100, not really. I trade US 30 more. The three main pairs that I focus on is GJ, gold, and US 30. But I have my times for that, right? Like US 30, I like to focus on New York session, and I like to be extra, you know, confident on them. So I'm only focused on, you know, really good setups. Like if it's a little off, like I don't even mess with it, because, you know, indices, they move like crazy, because they're kind of like gold, like they're really volatile, right? So if you've been following along, we are in profits on CAD JPY. We're waiting for GJ. We're waiting for AUD USD. Gold went completely the other way, which is fine though. It still broke out, which is creating a new high, and we'll still look probably for a return to retest probably this level instead of this level. But we'll just be patient. Euro GBP is coming into profits, a couple of pips away. CAD JPY in profits. GJ we're waiting. AUD we're waiting, and gold we're waiting. GJ is being mean as fuck lately. I know, man. I don't know why. Like, it just does that sometimes. But, you know, like, I've had times where it hits me, like, and I'll, like, hate it for a whole week. And then the next week, it'll be, like, breaking records. You know? So, like, I think the most important thing is you stay consistent. Like, the market is the variable, and we have to be okay with it not being consistent. Like, we're gonna have times where it's not consistent. We're gonna have times where it's faking us out. We're gonna have times where it just doesn't want to play ball. But you have to stay consistent with what you do. If you do that, you will win. Alright, we have about 17 minutes left on this candlestick. We're waiting right here on GJ. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Back. How do you find your range zone hourly chart, 4-hour chart? I find it by doing top-down analysis. I do it every single day, every single live. Start on the daily, then on the 4 hours where I mark my zones. In the 1 hour, I refine them. The 30-minute, I look for a range to break out of, and I can even refine that down to the 15-minute for an entry, and then I just wait. Yeah, if you want to see that in action, how I do it, because I'm a straight price action trader, I don't use any indicators. You can go back and look at the lives. I've seen it before, or I mean, you can go to the lives to see it again. I mean, and you know, I do top-down analysis. I'm not buying or selling anything right now, guys. I'm waiting for price to tell me what to do. Remember, guys, our job as traders is not to predict price, it's to react to price. Okay? Appreciate it, guys. 2,700 likes on TikTok. Wow, appreciate you guys. Much love, much love. I got 10 likes on 11 likes now on YouTube. I got love for you guys, so I appreciate you guys. My YouTube crowd has like been around for a while. Like, I've been live streaming on YouTube for about a year now. But on my what's it called, TikTok, it's only been about a month. But yeah, welcome. Anthony said he's buying GJ. Go for it, brother. You know, even though you could take a position, like you could buy and I could sell, and we could at the end of the day still both make profit. Like, you could take a quick buy scalp and I could sell swing, right? Yeah, I mean, that's great, bro. If you've been buying, like, entered at that low. Yeah, so guys, if you're just joining, if you're new, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. Central to 3 a.m. Central London session. Guys, if you're new to trading, if you want to learn how to trade, if you're trying to figure out how this stuff works, make sure you come and jump on the live. When I jump on, I do top-down analysis. I go over what I'm doing. I explain to you why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's the same exact repetitive stuff every single day. We'll take losses live and we'll take W's, you know, we'll take wins live. So, you know, I do them both. But I think the important thing is for you guys to be able to recognize and see, you know, trade management, risk management, discipline, those kind of things are some of the most important things to see as a trader, as a new trader, to see how that is managed, because not a lot of people share that, right? You know, some of your gurus that are selling you guys courses and marketing products and network marketing won't live trade with you. You know, but I'm here doing it for the people, baby. No, I'm not only looking at GJ. I sent out for my Learn and Earn private Telegram group. It's a paid group. I sent out Euro GBP and CAD JPY. I already went over those. I sent the setups out actually to the Telegram, to the free Telegrams as well, so you guys can take that if you want. Those are swing trades. I'm waiting for AUD USD to set up and gold to set up, and I'm trading GJ live. We're not in anything right now. We're waiting for this breakout. It's coming. It's coming, baby. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, guys, if you're on my TikTok, check out the link in my bio. I have my YouTube channel in there, and my YouTube, you can see my whole chart. You can see me. Like, you can join the crowd in there. It's a little bit less hectic. I can read the questions easier. On TikTok, like, all these questions are coming in, and I don't see them all. Like, I lose all of these. Like, all right, so I'm not in a trade yet. What I'm doing, I'm just getting ready for a trade, because if this breaks and closes below, I'm gonna want to enter here. So I'm gonna want to measure what the pip risk is, so I can calculate my my risk management, right? What my lot size is gonna be for my account. Do you have a signal channel? I do. It's in the description. If you look at the description of my TikTok profile, you will see Learn and Earn private Telegram, and that is a paid Telegram where I send out signals, analysis, breakdowns, and we go over trades and whatnot. What's good? What's good? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, YouTube feed is way better. Yeah, I know it, man. It's because, dude, I can't even, like, I can't, dude. There's so many things, like, TikTok is just freaking going like this. Like, there's, like, uh-oh. GJ wants to go into profits. Nice, nice. Or, I mean, not go into profits, but wants to trigger a sell. I was thinking about the CAD JPY. It's in profits. And this thing pushing up a bit, but it's all good. GJ is what I'm focused on right now with you guys. Remember, we want to close and break below so we can enter, put our stops above the previous wick, and then let this puppy ride down. Drew, welcome. Hey, it's lit. King Lion says you should do a commercial for Essential Water. Bro, they should sponsor me, man. Like, I order 2 cases of these a week, guys. Like, I get 2 cases delivered a week. This is the only water I drink. TikTok is a good bait. YouTube is what hooks you. Nice. CJ, what's good, brother? Been following for 3 months in my bank account. Would like to formally thank you, Lord Banks. You're welcome, brother. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. What about gold? I already sent out the chart for gold. We were looking at it earlier. I sent it out. I'm waiting for a pullback. But GJ is what I'm focused on right now. Damn, it's pulling back. Do you trade NAS 100? Not really. I prefer US 30. Catch you next time, brother. All right. See you next time. Just wanted to thank you. You hooked me with the great trade the other day. Hey, you're welcome, brother. I'm here for it. I've got a sell on USD JPY. I haven't even looked at that, to be honest. Are you using SMC concept? I don't know what that is, bro. Which pair is this? It's oh, sorry, I moved this thing. It's GBP JPY 30-minute. Waza, what's good? Can you do GU, please? Gotcha, brother. Wasn't around for the end of yesterday. Did we take 2 losses? Yeah, we took 2 losses on those, on GJ. But I mean, it's freaking Monday, man. Like I usually, you know, I used to just only trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But then I started picking up a couple of good trades, you know, on Monday and Friday. But really, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is good days to trade. But I feel like I kind of forced it yesterday and ended up paying the consequence, which I'm okay with. You know, I still made a lot of profit last week, and I know starting the week off with 2 L's sucks, but you know, I gotta stay focused, stay disciplined, and come back. Like, it's part of the game. Yeah, early bedtime. It's that early bedtime for me, so I wasn't that upset. Yeah, me too. I went to bed a little early, so well, I took a nap, right, and then I got up and saw New York look shitty, so I was like, nah, I ain't even gonna trade it. Let me do GU real quick for my buddy here, Waza. I got you. Smart money concepts. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I don't do I don't even know what that is, to be honest. Like, I don't trade. I trade price. I'm a price action trader, guys. I focus on price action, market structure, pattern trend trading. No indicators, no concepts, no, like, it's just price. What we see on the screen, what I see is what I trade. What I see is what I trade. All right, so here's GU, still melting. I mean, what else do you want me to say? It's just melting. Here's the daily. Past 3 days, been bearish, completely melting. Let's look at the 4 hour. See if we can establish some tops and bottoms here. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't been at this, it's literally at a bottom. Literally right now. There's a top right there. Yeah, honestly, what I would be looking for is some kind of pullback, maybe even like in this area. Like, if it could pull back here before continuing down, it might be a little high, but if it doesn't do that, then I'd be looking for it to break here and then pull back right here before it comes down even lower. But I mean, the direction is pretty set. It's going down. So NYSC, I'm not looking at that. Yeah, I average about a 37% return a month, guys. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Like, I don't know. I mean, I've had like crazy months before. I've had months where I just finished with 5%, you know, which is like not that great, but it's still, you know, winning. But you know, it just, like, I can't control the markets. I just try to take what I can with what the market gives me, right? But Waza, here's GU for you, bro. Like I said, I would wait for a pullback, see some consolidation, see that bearish movement confirmation, then come down, or if this breaks, wait for a retest of this area. WFX, hey man, I trade the same way as you. What are you looking for on GJ? GJ, we're waiting for a breakout, bro. Right here on the 30-minute. And it's almost there. I have a little range here. Once I get a confirmation of this breakout, I'll be jumping in for a sell, because I do think it's bearish. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, man. I'm here for it. Welcome, guys. If you guys are new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Central. We've got some questions here. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for 8 years. Do I make a living doing this? Yes, I'm a pro trader, guys. I'm a full-time pro trader. That's what I do. This pays the bills. I started out just trying to trade, make money trying to trade, and then I started making money trying to trade, and then this literally started making me more money than my primary source of income. So like, I still have a bunch of different business ventures, but this now makes the most money for me. Even with some months where I only get like a 5% return. But I mean, I have a 6-figure account, so like 5% is not bad, you know. Yeah, I'm looking for that setup as well. Yeah, gold just wants to fly. Yeah, probably, dude. It's all the war news and shit, you know. Yeah, it's at 2018 now. Damn, look at that. Wow. She ain't coming back down. This thing is just to the moon, baby. Look at that. Look at gold, guys. Sheesh, it's still flying. Look at this. This candle alone, 97. That's 30 and 20. 230 pips. Just this 30-minute candle is 230 pips. Imagine. Jesus. Wow. Wow. Look at it go. Look at it go. Man, that's some nice volume. I wonder what happened. Is there like some news? Oh, come on. Get out of here. South Korea fires warning shot at North Korea patrol vessel violating maritime border. Oh shit. Damn, North Korea's getting involved, South Korea's getting involved. China's growth target at 5.5 will be challenging. That was 8 minutes ago, guys. 8 minutes ago. Sheesh. That shit is wild. I should have bought what I was thinking earlier. I would have passed my account challenge with 1 hour candle. Yeah. Don't chase the trade though, man. Don't try to jump in right now. Just hit take profit 1. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Shit is still flying, man. Wow. Look at that. Damn. It's crazy. Yeah, I would still wait for a pullback for an entry. Like, this is just, it's hard to get in here. You're in a zone. This is the breakout, right? Like, this is a massive breakout. But, you know, I would still expect a pullback, create a new level of support, and then enter for a buy. AUD USD. Excuse me, it's melting here. I want to see some bearish, some bullish structure, to be honest. GJ, oh, GJ is pumping down now. Okay, we got about, wait, is this is the new 30-minute? Damn, it was this one. Damn, this thing just freaking melted. Fuck, did we miss it? Did we freaking miss it, dude? No. This is 30-minute, and we have 28 minutes left on it. Like, it just had a lot of volume and it pushed down. But hopefully it pulls back up and it closes below here, and it'll be sweet. It'll be a sweet trade. Because we'll take this thing here, about a 15 pip stop. Ooh. It'll be nice. And just write it down, write it down. Ghost ride the whip, ghost ride the whip. Yeah, we waiting on it. I would never anymore, right? Yeah, you probably learned that lesson already. Old me would have done that dumb stuff, but nope. Yeah, it's about being disciplined, you know. Like, you gotta sit on your hands. GJ needs to make things up tonight. Make things up to me tonight. Yeah, she's gonna play nice tonight. I feel it. Like, I like the market structure it's building. I like the way it's moving. I like the volume coming in. It's 1 a.m. and she's already got some volume in her. She looks like she's ready to play. She looks like she's ready to play today. I would really like a 15 pip stop. And then just, we'll take that baby down. Which exchange are you using? Do you trade through Trading? No, I have MT4. And my recommended broker is in the link in the bio. I am testing a couple of different brokers out. Right now I'm using Hugo's Way, but there's other brokers out there too, you know. So just because when you're doing like scalping, and especially scalping on indices, you really want to find a broker with, you know, tight spreads. It really helps when you have larger accounts. So we got about 26 minutes left here. We're waiting for that to close. Waiting for that to close. Okay. Nice. Come on, GJ, pull back a bit. Pull back a bit. Don't be like that. What did the 15-minute do? Okay, so this is also a 15-minute candle. Maybe we can enter on the 15-minute. Look at some kind of pullback. The KOT Forex, I've tried it actually before, but I ended up going back to Hugo's Way. I forgot why though. So long time ago. Oh, you know what I think it was is when I was doing my for a payout, and like I had to verify like some papers, like documents that I had to submit. They were like having a bunch of problems and issues, and I was like, man, I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with it. I don't like having to have issues when I want my money. Like, if I'm asking for a withdrawal, like, how much did you start with before your 6 figures account? Man, when I first started, I started with like $500, but I blew that. I think that like when I really got on a roll and I didn't blow my account anymore, I had put like, I would say maybe like $2,000 in. And I just grew it. It grew it and grew it and grew it and compounded it. But I wasn't withdrawing. Like, I was just compounding it like every day, every week, because I didn't need the cash. Like, it was just more about taking wins and getting good at the skill. And before I knew it, I mean, it was growing into a bigger account. Like, this is GJ, and we're on the 15-minute right now, because I was looking at the 15-minute, but this is a 30-minute chart. Excuse me. Gold looks like it will reach the all-time high back in August 2020. Do you feel there's a potential reversal trade at? Nah. So like, guys, I don't get into the mindset of just because we reached a new high, it has to reverse. Like the market has enough volume and liquidity to create new highs and blow your account before it turns around. So remember, like, this is why I talk about us as traders. Our job is not to predict price, it's to react to it. So if it's going up, it's going up, and it's gonna go up until it starts coming down, and it'll show you when it starts coming down. So let's not try to get in ahead of time, like, you know, pinpoint entry right at the top where it reverses. Like that's not our job, you know. How do you normally determine stop loss on a breakout? I use a previous wick. GJ, any entry? I'm waiting right now. I was waiting for the candle closure, but this thing looks like it's freaking melting already, which is kind of sucks, but we'll see what we can get. Nicole says, and this is wartime. Yeah, for sure. WFX, you looking at GJ sells below 151.064? 1064, well, where it's at right now. You're talking about below here. Yeah, I mean that could be a good entry too. The only thing is our stop loss is going to be like, yeah, 27 pips, 30 pips, which kind of sucks, but yeah, I'm gonna see how the candle closes. We got about 22 minutes. Unpredictable, yeah, for sure. Ben, get it. Didn't phrase that well. I mean, looking at the price action at that point. Yeah, so like looking at the price action on gold, when it's moving up like that, I want to see it pull back and create some support. Support is gonna look like this, you know, like this, you know. We gotta wait for some support to be created, and then the continuation, bullish confirmation, and then an entry. You know, I do feel like this may pull back a bit, because especially because it doesn't have a wick to the top. When it doesn't have a wick to the top, it means no breathe. It just fell. So I'm sure there's going to be some kind of answer to that just falling, like pulling back a bit. And gold can come in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, for sure. True, big stops. Yeah, it has like that huge wick, like just massive wicking out. Like that's what's crazy about that. All right. So we got about 20 minutes left here on our 30-minute candle. For GJ, it's pulling back a bit, which is nice. Nice. I already did gold. I sent it out. I'm not in a trade yet, guys. We are being patient, waiting for candle to close. No, should not enter the trade because I'm not in a trade. I will tell you guys when I enter a trade. Yeah, yep. Hey, thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for sharing the stream. 4,400 likes on TikTok. Thank you guys so much. My record here, I think, is like 12,000 likes in one stream, but definitely appreciate the 4,400 likes from you guys. Much love. And my YouTube people, thank you guys for the love over there, the likes, the subscribes, follows. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I'm live Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. Central to 3 a.m. Central London session every single day. Here for you guys. Damn, GJ's melting. I need a water. Give me 1 second, guys. I am back. Next candle or this candle may make a top wick. I mean, I don't know. Like right now, this candle is looking like risk to reward is knocking me out. It's like now I'm gonna be risking 30 pips. It's a little too massive here. We got let's see, about 18 minutes left of this candle. I mean, the good thing is that we're seeing that it's breaking new lows, creating new lows. So we may be able to catch a pullback. Yeah, stops are too big for me. Yeah. I mean, I'd like a nice little 15 pip stop. It would be nice. Would be real nice. But we'll see. We'll trade what the market gives us. CAD JPY in profit. Looking lovely, looking lovely. What is this like? It's like huge. Anyways, yeah, we're about 15 pips in profit for CAD JPY. Congratulations to those that took that with me. Banks, would you mind briefly going over CAD JPY setup? Missed it earlier and can't tell from the chart on the Telegram. Yeah, bro, CAD JPY is a swing trade based on the 4 hour. We're looking at here market structure to the downside right here. See this? Okay. So we got push up, test the top zone, came back down. Respecting this level, this market structure here, pushing down to the downside, bearish confirmation, and we should have entered over here, but we got this nice little pullback and we entered a little later. Better price entry for us. So I do expect this to continue and create new lows. That's why my take profit one's there. Test the next low, keep going to the next level. So that's the analysis behind that. Very easy to tell this little trend right here. Boom. Boom, boom. And really, if you were looking at this like this trend right here, you could have sold it. Like when it broke right here, you could have sold it. Boom. This is the break and retest. This is where the entry should have been, but I caught it a little late and got in here. So really, by what is that measurement? I got in like 12 pips late, so we could have been an additional 12 pips in profit. But it's all good. I mean, this is a swing. It's going to be a longer term trade, and I think it's going to continue to the downside for a while. So we're all good on that. Euro GBP is wicking out, but I think it's still going to continue to the downside. GBP JPY just completely melted on us. I'm hoping for this pullback here shortly. See what it did. 15-minute. Yeah. Yes. Hopefully there's a pullback here. Gives us a good entry point. Cool. Looks like a slanted head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I was gonna say head and shoulders. I don't really like focusing on those types of patterns and stuff, like, because it's kind of subjective, really. So like, I'm just showing you the overall trend where it's headed. But yeah, it's basically head and shoulders. The CAD JPY was on the 4 hour. It's a swing trade. It is a swing trade. Yeah, guys, the course waitlist link is still up. It's in the bio. If you go look at the bio, click on the link. The course waitlist is up there. Remember, guys, I'm only gonna allow like 20 people in for the first wave, so I can get some feedback and do some refinement on that, and if you're gonna come from the wait list basically. So the people on the wait list, those guys are gonna come in first into the course. Course is releasing on April 1st. Telegram channel link is also in the bio. If you click on the bio, that link has the links for everything. The Discord, the paid Telegram, free Telegram, my waitlist, course waitlist, my YouTube, Instagram, everything. Yeah, guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, do me a favor, follow me on Instagram. It's Lord Banks FX. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more active on there. Share some of the trades, some of the results, and if you guys tag me in the profits you guys make, I'll share it for you guys as well. Alan says, hey Banks, I missed a CAD JPY. Where did you call it? I sent out the setup in the free Telegram, and I called it out live. I mean, we were here live when I marked it up and sent it out. We were live when I marked it up and sent it out. It was like when we first started, when we got started on the live. It was like about an hour ago, an hour and 15 minutes ago. Ben says the key level you placed on CAD JPY, I couldn't see it myself and still bit unsure of it, huh? Yeah, it just takes time, bro, and practicing, like training your eyes for the pattern. Like right away, when I look at this on a higher time frame, I see that we're moving down, right? We had this huge spike and we're moving down. Right away, I want to see what kind of market structure is it developing after this drop, which is this right here. And what did this do? This didn't create a new high. This is a lower high, right? So for me, automatically, okay, we're going down. What was the previous down? Look at the bottoms slanted down. So right away, I'm like, okay, here's a high, here's a lower high. We're creating lower lows. The pattern, if should it continue, would be to create a new low, right? Right away, you should think that. Right away, you got to understand the market moves in patterns. It's either in an uptrend, in a downtrend, or consolidating, okay? So right away, I identify this as a downtrend. Downtrend market structure is telling me that we're going to the downside. And if it's to hold true, we should be creating a new low, right? And then you can just simply look to the left to see levels, next levels that it could potentially test. It's kind of the way I do it. All right, we got about 10 minutes left here on this candle on GJ. It is pulling back a bit, but it's still gonna be like 25 pips. It's a little much, a little much. Yeah, you don't have to, like, especially when you're on a higher time frame, bro, you don't have to go that far back. Like why are you gonna go look at price a year ago when we're trying to trade right now? If you're on a 4 hour, look at what's right in front of you. Don't go back so far. Now if we're on a 15 minute, 30 minute, then yeah, go to the left and start looking. But remember, you want to look at the recent market structure in relation to where price is in that moment, right? So price is right here, you're looking this tops, and then you're looking the next bottoms, right? All right, we got about 9 minutes left on this candle. Being patient, being patient. I just don't want to risk like 25 pips on that. Like maybe 20 pips would be okay, but gosh, 25 pips. Sheesh. Yeah, like if it was like right here. Just pull back just a little more. We got about 8 minutes, so We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. Yeah, and I'm about to, whenever I drop the course, I'm going to open up one-on-one sessions as well. So you guys can book those for whoever wants like one-on-one time. And I'll probably do it like in increments of like 30 minutes or maybe even an hour, depending. I got to see my schedule, see how much time I have, but my time will be limited. So I'll only have maybe like 2 slots available maybe every other week or something. But for the ones that are real serious, you know, want to jump in and do a one-on-one session, I'm going to open that up for you guys. Sweet. Yeah, I think Euro GBP is just kind of consolidating a bit right now. And then London session, we should see some movement. We should see it just fucking melt. Hey, thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. I like the I like you guys are interacting here and liking the stream, sharing the stream. I appreciate it. This helps me get a little bit more exposure and you know, reach those people that really need it. So appreciate it. Thank you guys. Much love, much love. Yeah, if you're new here, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. Central to 3 a.m. Central, London session. And yeah, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And if you're on TikTok, you know, give me a follow. I do these lives Monday through Friday. Got about 5 minutes left on this candle. Pulling up a bit, pulling up a bit. Yeah, the time zone, you guys are ahead like 7 hours or 7-8 hours from my time zone. But I mean, usually my days start at midnight. Like I get up at 11:30, so like my day runs through the night really, because I trade London session. This is man, I keep on. Sorry guys, GJ 30-minute chart. GJ 30-minute chart. Oh. I'm in Euro USD. I haven't even looked at Euro USD. We've got about 4 minutes left, and it is pulling up just a bit, which is nice and lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and just calculate what my risk should be here. What my risk should be. Got about 4 minutes left on this trade. Let's go, let's go. Come on, baby. About 3 minutes left. This is just, it's too much. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello. Welcome, new subscribers. CAD, JPY, and profit. Euro GBP is still consolidating a bit. Got about an hour and a half before London Open. Right now we're just in pre-London. 4,800 likes on TikTok. Thank you guys. We got eyes on GU. We went over GU just a little bit ago. Yeah, like I said, waiting. Either it's going to reverse pull up for a pullback before continuation, or breakout and then retest. Got about 2 minutes left here. It's about 3 pips away from, oh, here we go. 3 pips away from where I want to enter. That'll be about 20 pip risk, which would be nice. And I will take that. Minute and a half, guys, a minute and a half. Minute and a half. Come on, baby. Pull up a bit. Give me a nice entry, baby. A nice entry. Let's play smart today. Come on, baby. Oh, nice. I still want you. That's about a 15 pip. 15 pip stop right there. About 40 seconds. It's gonna change things here. Oh, if it closes. Damn you, GJ. If it closes back in this range, I'm not jumping in. It's got to close below here. It's got to close below. Jesus. See, and I knew it's because there's no top wick. It's gotta wake up. 10 seconds, guys. No. Not happening. I'm not jumping into that. Nasty wick. You nasty, GJ. You nasty. Why you do that? Why you do me that way? Ooh, look at that. We're still waiting. We're not in. I'm not jumping in. No entry. Derek, what's good? We're waiting on GJ, man. She's playing rough today. She was teasing. Look, came down and then went all the way back up. Look at that. Imagine if we would have got in, going bullish. Look at her. What are you doing, GJ? What are you doing? She's in this zone. I'm not trading. She's in this zone. I'm not going to trade her. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I am back. I am back. Dang, GJ, look at that fake out. Thank God I didn't jump in. Excuse me. Now maybe this right here has a wick to the upside, which is nice. We can get a closure down here. We'll jump in. Look at CJ. Pulling back a bit. It's all good. Still in that. That's a swing, so be in there for a while. Still in profits, about 5 pips. Yeah, just let it do its thing. Euro GBP, JPY still kind of consolidating here. Pulled back up, retesting that top. Probably gonna come down here now. Oh, look at GJ. Can this be the candle that it breaks? Might even look at it with a 15. Look at that nasty. Well, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We will wait. We will wait. Can I still get on CJ? CJ, I mean, it's right around entry point. We're in profit at like a few pips, but yeah, I mean, just adjust your stop loss or your risk management to include an additional 4 pips, 5 pips in risk. So instead of risking 35 pips, you're risking 40. Right? Keep that in mind. But yeah, you can definitely jump in. I would recommend jumping in if we're like already like 10 pips in profit, you know? But we're not. It's barely like 5 pips. Welcome, guys. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks, and I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Central. We are not in a trade just yet, waiting on GJ to activate. I mean, we have a couple of swings that I sent out to the Telegram and my Learn and Earn, but as far as for the live trading here, we're waiting on GJ. Waiting for a break and close below this red dotted line to get into a sell, because that's what it kind of seems like it wants to do. 4,900 likes on TikTok. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Much love. Thanks for sharing the stream. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the follows. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm tired today. 5,000 likes. Wow. Appreciate it. Much love. Just being patient, guys. Just being patient. See, this is why we wait for candle closures. Because imagine if we would have got in here, we'd been in a drawdown. Come on, GJ. The stop is not, the stop is just there right now because that's where the top wick is. Like, the candle hasn't closed. If the candle goes up higher than the stop, then the stop is invalid. So I wouldn't enter right now with the same stop just because it'll be a smaller stop loss, because that stop loss is not set in stone until the candle closes. Does that make sense? Yeah, if you're looking for my links, guys, everything is in the bio, in the description. Yeah, my previous stop loss, my stop loss is gonna be the previous wick of the candle closure. So I'm waiting for this candle to close to give me my stop loss. You can't assume that that's the highest it's gonna go. Nice, GJ, nice. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Got about 18 minutes left. Shit, I might even enter on the 15 minute. If it breaks here. Ooh, a little higher risk, but it looks nice. Looks real nice. Got 2.5 minutes left. No, it's back up in the range. Not gonna do that. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. 5,100 likes on TikTok. Thanks for sharing the stream, guys. Welcome, 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 guys. Welcome, welcome. If you're new, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12 a.m. Central to 3 a.m. Central London session. It's really London Open because London lasts for like 8 hours. Damn, GJ, back in the range. Back in the range, DJ. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think I'm over GJ. Moving on to something else. Oh, you gotta be consistent, man. You gotta let him do his thing. She likes to play, but she pays the bills, man. GJ pays the bills. This thing is like super hot. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Look at GJ. I did a quick scalp in. It's scary to me. I'm a newbie. Look at it. It's pushing down. Got 12 minutes left on this candle. She's like right where I want her to be. We're waiting. We're waiting. Stop loss is going to be above the previous wick. So whenever this candle closes, right now the previous wick is right here, up here. So just like 15 pips. Come on, GJ, don't do that. Yeah, We've got 11 minutes here. We just don't want this to completely melt just yet. Just moving down. Come on, baby. I would like to see the wick up top and the wick up bottom, so I want it to pull back. She just wants to melt. Got about 9 minutes left on this candle. Remember, guys, like we don't want to have FOMO and jump into a trade just because it's moving the direction that it's breaking out of, and thinking like, oh, it's gonna completely melt that, because that could be when it pulls back for a retrace. Like, we want to take the trade when it follows our rules and our setups and our parameters of what we have, what we're expecting, right? We don't want to change what we're looking for based off of what the current market is doing, you know. Like, we want to make sure that, okay, this is fitting what we're looking at, right? Gold hit 2021. Oh, really? Sheesh. Yeah, it did. Sure did, but look, it looks like it's running out of gas. Maybe it's ready to come down to retest. Look at GJ melting. Wow. Wow, GJ. Wow. Got 7.5 minutes left on this candle. Oh man, I'm super tired, guys. She's melting. Like if it closes down here where GJ is right now, I won't get in because the risk to reward is off. We'd be risking like 35 pips for a scalp intraday trade. I don't want to do that. Got about 6 minutes left on this candle. Got about 5.5 minutes. You know why I'm tired today, guys? Because I didn't have my freaking Red Bull. I usually have a Red Bull to start the show. But no Red Bull for me today, guys. You guys gotta keep me on my toes. If you guys got any questions, got any charts, anything y'all want to look at, keep me entertained, keep me engaged, because I'm about to just pass out. Tired. GJ's being a little hoe. I mean, we're not losing, but she's like just doing whatever she wants to do. Any brief analysis going on? AUD, JPY, NZD, USD. I'll check it out. We got 4 minutes. AUD, JPY, where you at? Look to see if we start reversing around this area. It's going to respect it. It's on the daily. Now look at this 4 hour. Looks like a break and retest right there. Wait for some bullish confirmation before entering this. Say breaking above that, good for a buy. Back to GJ. Okay, it's pulling up. Got about 3 minutes left. EG looks like it might stop us out. Yeah, I mean, it's still got some room. Let's see, CAD JPY is in profits. Nice. Nice. Yeah, we're about 16 pips in profit on that. This is just, I think it's just spiking out up here. It's already pulling down. Those are trades I sent out in my learn and earn swing trades. Look at that, beautiful. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, and she is pulling up. Exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. This right here will be about 20 pip stop loss. 22 pip stop loss. I would definitely take this. 2 minutes, a minute and a half. We got a minute and a half, guys. She's about 20 pip stop loss. Calculate your risk, guys. Calculate your risk. Make sure you're ready. Okay. Got about a minute and 19 seconds. She's playing beautiful today. Beautiful. Oh, come on. Don't push down too much. Come on, pull up a bit. We got about 50 seconds left here. 50 seconds left. She's looking lovely. She's looking lovely. Come on, baby. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. As long as this closes below this red line, we're entering. Come on, baby. Ooh, she's looking lovely. 17 seconds. Who's ready to enter? 10 seconds. About a 22 pip risk. About a 22 pip risk. All right, jumping in the sell. Boom. We in, baby. We in. We're putting our stops above the previous wick. Make sure you're accounting for spreads on your broker. And there she goes, about a 22 pip stop. So let's measure this out. Where's our 22 pips for TP1? Right here. 222. It's gonna be our TP1 crossing down. TP1. We are in an active trade, guys. We just jumped into a sell on GJ. And we're in profits. Profits about 2 pips. We are in profits, guys. We are in profits, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Who's making money with me today? Who's making money with me today, baby? Let's go. We up 7 pips. 7 pips. Remember, what do we do when we hit TP1? Somebody tell me, what do we do? What are we doing when we hit TP1, baby? What's TP1 on GJ? It is 150.929. TP2. What do we do when we hit TP1, guys? Somebody tell me. Come on now, I'll tell you guys every single live what we do. Somebody should know. Somebody should tell me. We are in a sell on GJ. We are in a sell on GJ, guys. We're in a sell on GJ, currently up about 7 pips. There we go. Take partials. That's what's up. Roll stops. Here we go. Take partials. Move stop loss to break even and let it run. Good shit. That's what I'm talking about. Somebody is learning. Somebody is learning, baby. I love it. I love it. Come on, let's get it. Let's hit TP1, baby. Push. Push, push, push. Come on, GJ. Partials, yes. Yes, sir. Take some partials. Skyline Trading knows what's up. Let's get it. Let's get it. CAD JPY is in profits. Still a little bit of drawdown for EUR, Euro GBP. We're at entry right now for GJ, which is all good. It's all good. Random question: alerts on TradingView. Is there a way of setting a sound alert? Yeah, it sounds, bro. Like it sounds for me. Like whenever it hits here, it's a sound, and my alerts go like TradingView has an app that you can have on your phone and iPad, whatever, and it'll alert on there as well. Come on, baby, push, push. Come on, GJ. She's paying the bills today, baby. She played hard to get yesterday. She played hard to get yesterday, but she's playing nice today. She is playing nice today. She is playing nice today, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You see how patient we had to be? How many times we thought we were going to get in there? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Like it took us like, what was that? An hour, 2 hours, basically. Yeah. Right away, we thought we were going to jump in at 12, and we waited two hours, and we finally jumped in. But look, we jumped in. I mean, this thing went like 1 pip in drawdown, and it's in profits right now. Tuesday through Thursday are the days. I know it, man. I know it. I know it, man. I'm telling you. That's usually before in the past, like, you know, it's like maybe a year or two ago, I used to only strictly trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. But I found like some really nice scalp opportunities Mondays and Fridays, and I was like, you know what, I'll start trading them. But it's hard to stay focused on your discipline to say, hey, you know what, it's not a good trade, don't trade it. And you end up forcing trades, and that's what I don't like. But you know, when you trade longer, you start to understand, okay, this is a higher probability setup, this one isn't, and you get better at those things. But you know, you just want to make sure you're being patient, you're sticking to your plan, you know, you have discipline. You awake now? I am awake now. I was falling asleep a second ago, but I'm awake now. We in a trade, baby. We in a trade. Let's get it. The scalps are always a lot funner, like a little bit more energy and stuff, because it's like this thing is gonna move right now. We're gonna make money right now. The swings, those take time, and I know I'll probably check on them, like, you know, in the morning, see how they are. But those things just run, you know. Come on, baby. Melt. 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 What's the stop loss set on GJ? At 151.369 is where I have mine. But I'll tell you on my MetaTrader. Yeah, my MetaTrader says 151.365. But just look at, go on your chart, wherever you execute your trade, put it on the 30-minute, look at the previous candle, put your stops like a couple of pips above the previous wick, and you'll be fine. That's kind of where we're at. Do you see price rejection on gold? London open May. Let me see gold. What is gold doing? That's not enough for me. Like, that's not enough for me. That's not enough for me, because this could easily just be a quick consolidation before a continuation. I need more. I need more market structure. Like this. This is a move. I needed to do something, like either come down, establish support, then go, or continue up and then nice couple of bars down to reject, like, and find some support. This is not enough for me. That right there is, to me, it would have been nice to catch it, but I'm not gonna force something here to try to catch gold. Like, even if it's gonna fly right here, it could very well, but I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna force anything. I'm not gonna try to jump in there. All right. AUD USD, I already did that one. Now look, we're waiting for bullish structure. So we got like some support forming here, but we get some bullish structure to the upside. You know, this would be a nice swing. Nice swing to the upside. Come on, baby. Let's go, GJ. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. She's pushing up, look. Oh, don't do that. Come on now. Don't do that. What are you doing? Oh, she's gonna stop me out. Damn. Wow. Oh my God. You were just not. You are just not playing today. Jesus Christ. 22 pip stop. What a bastard. Everything was perfect right there. This thing just flew up. And it's back in the range here. What a fucking hoe. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so GJ stopped us out. She was doing so good. She was doing so good. We're being patient and everything. Wow. Wow, GG, wow. Oh, I mean, that followed everything. That followed everything. Yeah, she's giving us 3 losses, dude. Like, why are you being shady like that, GJ? Shit. I'm just waiting to see how this is gonna keep progressing. If she gives us a second chance, I'm gonna take it. It's ugly, GJ. Ugly. Why are you being so ugly? Damn, man, she flew up like quick. Yeah, it'd be nice to see this close above here. Makes no sense. Like this thing is bearish. What time is it? 2:14? Okay. Look at it now. I think I'm gonna take another one over here. Oh, Euro GBP. Euro GBP hit my stop too. Wow. What a fucking day. It's about a 22 pip stop right there. Oof. Sorry. Everything bumping like period, I know. It's crazy. No, but this thing is still bearish on a higher time frame. And I'm gonna catch this like nice entry right here, watch. I'm about to jump into a sell right here, guys. Keep my stops tight. $151.65. It's my stops. I'm entering a second chance here. Sell on GJ. I just think this is it's gonna be a fat wick on the higher time frame. What's my entry price here? 151, perfect 4.5. 4.53 actually. Cool. Damn, this is too much volume, man. 218. Jesus. I need you to melt. Pull down, baby. I'm in a second chance sell here. Yo, if this is my stop, I'm done with GJ. Yeah, I'm on a second chance sell here for GJ. And yes, I'm still in CJ. Damn, that previous candle was crazy. What time is it? 12:20 or 2:20? Look at this GJ, like Jesus Christ, I'm about to take another loss. Ah, come on, GJ. Just want you to do one thing, that's melt. Melt. Yeah, she's about to stop me out again. Wow. She's like a pip away. Just stop me out already, fucking GJ. Do it. Do it. Be an early stream again today, man. Jesus. Yeah, I don't like the. Oh, there it goes. Alright, I'm done. 2 L's again. Lost 2%, 1% each one I was risking, and then Euro GBP I'd lost another 1%, so I'm down 3%. And CAD JPY is still running. So we'll see what that does. CAD JPY. Yeah, man, it's horrible, dude. Like, what a fucking week. Everything's looking nice setup, and then it's just not respecting anything. Look at this. Like, where are you going, GJ? She's just gonna go up. Look at this fucking massive ass candle. Look at this. Like, boom, and then completely change directions. Wow. Jesus Christ. Did anything come out? Like, cost of living warning. UK faces biggest income squeeze in nearly 50 years. That's horrible, man. Horrible week. What a horrible week. It's barely Tuesday, so Alright guys. we have one trade running, CAD JPY, which is a swing. And GJ just completely violated us again. Euro GBP JPY hit stop. AUD USD is setting up. Gold, oh look, gold came back and retested. Oh, interesting. I mean, you gotta wait for some support to be formed, so I'd wait for that. I'm not gonna take any more trades tonight because I took my 2 L's again today. So Monday we took 2 L's, Tuesday we took 2 L's. Jesus. Well, today we took 3 L's because of the swing trade on Euro GBP. JPY. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off because I don't want to be tempted to take another trade. GJ's being a hoe, and I don't know what to. I mean, this is ridiculous. Look at this massive candle. Jeez, and we were in profits like 7 pips, and now she's coming down. She literally just spiked me out. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade. Like, I already took my two shots here and it didn't work out. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off, guys. Hey, thanks so much for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow for another one. Same time. Well, hopefully a win, not a fucking L. But same time tomorrow, guys. I appreciate the love. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the subs. I will be back mañana. Peace.